Radiating pipe condenser special purpose welding machine. It is a fully automatic condenser special purpose machine solely designed for welding radiating pipes. It features automatic feeding and welding, which saves time and power. The 30 kVA radiating pipe condenser professional spot welding machine, which may weld 38.1 mm steel pipe fitted with 3 mm feed. Low power consumption. By means of condenser charging and discharging, it can charge slowly with low electrical power and generate rapid discharging with high electrical power to reduce high cost of electrical equipment. For projection spot welding, it is able to perform rigid welding with less workpiece deformation. Spring-type automatic material feeding. Spot welding is carried out during material infeeding and both side welding at one time to save time. 5 seconds per welding with continuous welding until job is finished. Steel pipe is loaded manually, one piece each time, using servo motor for auto feeding. In-feed speed and in-feed distance can be set by operators as required. Operator and machine control interface to control the whole machine using Mitsubishi RLC and servo motor. High-tech color touch screen, operational graphics and signs are easy to understand and operate. Warning signals are easy to understand. Mechanical breakdowns can be cleared out easily for fixed position spot welding. According to different specifications of radiating pipes, different settings can be made for exact sizes from the operator and machine control interface.